Sean again, an application engineer here at WinDaq Instruments. It's often important to be able to associate an event with a change in temperature or pressure or flow. To do that, there's a feature in WinDaq called Remote Events. Remote Events allows you to insert an event marker in a data file while acquiring data using a high or low TTL level control signal. To enable remote events in WinDaq, we'll begin by enabling the digital channel. To do so, we'll choose Enable Channels from the Edit pull-down menu and click the Channel 9 checkbox. As you can see, the digital channel is now enabled. With the digital channel enabled, we can choose Remote Events Plus or Remote Events Minus from the Options pull-down menu. Since the remote event terminal is pulled high by default, we'll choose Remote Events Minus. That way we can just connect a switch across the Remote Events terminal to insert an event mark. Next, we'll record some data. With WinDaq in record mode, we'll toggle the switch, connect it across the remote event terminal to insert some event marks. Now we'll end the recording and open the data file in the WinDaq Waveform Browser. Here we can choose Event Marks from the View pull-down menu to see all of the event markers that were inserted in the file. You can double-click on any of these event marks to jump to that exact instant in the data file.